Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I don't know if this video gonna be out, I don't know, but we're at the junkyard at my local LKQ. Let's see what all kind of weird cars that we can find. Here go a Ford Escort. These are old. Oh my God, look at that, blue and blue. Oh, you can smell the 90s, 80s, whatever this is. 90s, yep. Look at that dash. Wow. It's hot in that car. That's what it is. It's very, very hot in there. So I tried to do some body work on it. I remember my brother had one of these. He had one of these cars. What do you guys think? Would you drive one today? All right, here go what, a 94 Cadillac DeVille. And it doesn't have what I need. But 94, I believe. So I put the stupid limited edition. Oh, this is 97. 97 Cadillac DeVille. Does have the badging, and that's a lot of water. Somebody already busted the mirror, I mean the glass. On the inside. Wow. Got ugly rims, but not the tires. The tires look good. White walls. Oh, and look at that. Aerostar. My auntie had one of these before. Most ugliest, hideous vans ever. But would I drive one? Yes, I would. I would drive the extended version of this. It's a lot of mosquitoes. Like a cat or a Wolverine got up in here. That's crazy. Ooh, look at this. A SRX. And it got the body kit on it. Sport, SRX Sport. The rims. Interior saw better days. Nice. All right, so here go a GMC Acadia, aka the Saturn. It stink too. That's disgusting. Oh my God, it stinks. It smells like cat. Oh, about to throw up. That's disgusting. I can't walk right there because of mud right there. Tires seem good. But you got the whole front end off of it right here. Somebody really needed that front clip. Nice. But people say that they hard to work on. I see that when you got the front end. But if you take the whole front end off, it seems like it's easy to get to and work on. But other than if you got the front end off, it's too much work. As I was growing up, I thought I liked these grills, but these grills are the most ugliest grills ever that you can put on a Chrysler 300. Look how far the grill poke out. That is so ugly. This is hideous. And it's plastic too. But I do like the rims on it. The rims look real nice on it. And here got a Mustang right here with some rims on it too. What is this one? This is a 2011. And here go my all-time favorite cars. Well, not all-time favorite cars. One of the cars that I want to put on my purchase list, PT Cruiser. I love these cars. I really, really like these cars. Some people may hate them, but I love them. I really, really like them. And here go another one. Here go Buick LeSabre. And here go another PT Cruiser. I love these things. This one is in terrible condition on. Ugh. The back seat is pretty big when you think about it. It's a really good size. Ugh. Nice. All right, and here's the third, fourth. These are brand new tires, look like. PT Cruiser. This one seems like it's in better condition than the other ones. These are nice. I like them a lot. Which one did you guys choose? Would you guys choose the Caliper or would you guys choose the PT Cruiser? Let me know in the comments. I like these cars. Got another Jag. Another car that I'm gonna put on my list. And this was a girl on, or this is another one I'm gonna add to my list of buying. I want me one of these right here. Got a Montero Sport out here. We used to rent these a lot in the 2000s. And this one is disgusting. Yeah, it smells like fish. That stink. That's disgusting. What else out here? What is this? What is this? Oh my God. And they had, I wonder if they did this themselves. Cause the door jambs is painted and everything. Oh yeah, they had somebody do this. This is terrible. This is ugly. This is ugly. But look at that 7 Series right there. 750 Li. Oh my God, this is gorgeous. But look at that. That is so ugly. Who would do this? Wow. What you guys think? Is that ugly? I bet most of you guys don't even know what this is. It's technically a Bentley, a Volkswagen Phaeton, one of the most expensive car VW ever produced. It got a gorgeous color on it, very gorgeous color. I love the interior color. I really like this. I add one of these to my collections as well. It does have the blinds thing. They got so much room in the back. That's nice. 2004 Phaeton. That's nice. Oh my God! Look at that! Look at that design of the trunk hinges. That is so nice. That is gorgeous. Battery cylinder? Right there. I should tell them. I like this a lot. Look at this. With a rare body kit. Look at that. Oh my goodness. I like this. It doesn't smell bad at all. Look at this. Somebody did it the wrong way, which is, oh no, they did the paint, maybe did it the right way, or it's just factory. And somebody took the bumper off, which is stupid. But look at that. Look at this body kit. Pittsburgh Steelers. Who car is this? That's crazy. Oh, I gotta do some digging now. I really gotta do some digging because that's Pittsburgh Steelers. That they are near my house. So I want, oh, look at them brakes. Look at them brakes on that. Whoever is the previous owner, I found your truck. You're a celebrity, I found your truck. Dang. Wow, that's crazy. All right, we're gonna close out the video with a Ram. Nah. Let's close out the video with. All right, so guys, hopefully you guys like this video. Please like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Comment and tell me what you guys think. If I miss anything you want me to look at, I'll come out and take a look. So thanks for watching.